How to add email signature to your Outlook in 2025. Want to make your email look more professional in Outlook 2025? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add a custom email signature step by step, including how to insert your logo, set a different signature for different account and make it appear automatically. And in this video, we are going to use two methods. I will use first default method, which is given by Outlook, and then we will go with this my signature option. As you can see in the my signature option, you can just create these kind of signatures for your Outlook. So let's get started. Now first thing first, what you have to do is head over to your Outlook application and open it. So in that you have to go for settings. Now click on this three dots and you can go for view setting, or you can from the top right corner you will find this setting option. Now from there you will in the account section you will find this signatures option. Then you have to go for new signature. Click on the new signature and then click on this add signature name. So I will add the maker name after that, and then from here you can add, after the name, you in this box you have to add some information like your name, title, contact information, or maybe a website or social media links. You can also add images like your company logo and format the text bold color, and you can change the color as well. So this is a basic signature. So let's say I will add my name like maker, and then I will add one more thing is related to my company, which is title. How to add signature, and then after that let's add some contact information, something like this. And then if you want to add, let's say you can add your link. For example, what I'm going to do, visit my site, and then you can select this text, go into this three dot line. You can add this insert link over here. So over here you have to add your website address URL, so it will basically create a hyperlink for your signature. So now let's add a logo for your company. Now what I'm going to do is just after that just click on this photo icon, and then it will open this your browser or your manager where you have saved your logo. Select your logo and open it. Now as you can see here, we have added our title, name, contact information and logo as well. So you can select default signature as well. If you go for new messages or for replies forwarded, you can select the default signature. Click on the save button, and as you can see here, it is automatically created this signature. So now let's move to second method, which is more advanced. We are going to use this my signature website. Click on this create a signature option, and first what you have to do is log in and sign in with your account. Now over here you can see there are a lot of templates you can use to create your Outlook signature. They looks great, to be honest, in my opinion. So instead of using Outlook default signature, you can use this website. So let's say I will use this one. Click on this use template, and then after that you have to enter what's your name. I will add maker, and then click on the next button and give information, your personal information to the website. Now if you have a website, you can add this here. If you don't have, you don't worry, just click on this next button and click on this, give all the information. Select your top social media network. I will choose Instagram, YouTube and then LinkedIn, and click on the next button. You can select the email client of your choice. Now I'm going to choose the Outlook, and then click on the get started. Make sure you have chosen, okay, we are using this pro design, so that's why we have to reset to free design. Click on this reset to free design, it will reset it. Now let's add over here you have to enter the general things like pronoun, company, and then you have position, and then the department, motion designing. You can just simply customize this template information from here. Now this is a contact information, and this is email address, then you have phone number, and then you have a website link. You can, if you want to change with your email address, you can add your own email address over here. And then let's say if you want to give a title, or you can, if you want to add like a symbol or icon, you can use it. Search for email address or something, email, find it. So it looks like something email, and then you can add this to your card or signature. As you can see, we have added this icon into our signature. They can do this same as with this uh, different title, different labels as well, like phone title. Search for phone, and then we have added our number. Then website, it should go as, you can add the emoji of world, it represent the world, internet, sorry. Then as you can see here, we have added this and changes the icon. Now let's move and add one more, maker John. Let's rename maker. And then if you want to add a company related thing, you can add as well, CEO, or whatever you want to add, maker private ltd. So this is how you can add in department you are handling. Let's say you are a video editor. Just this is just for tutorial. Now let's move to different fields. If you want to add more fields, just simply click on this plus icon and you will get cell phone, address, and work phone. And then you have a custom field as well. This is just for pro user. Now I will just remove. Now if you want to change the image of this signature, go to image section from the top and then click on this replace image button. So it will open this manager option and choose your image you like. If you, it will give a simple editor over here, so you can resize your photo. So just for fun, I have chosen this photo. Now if you want to add banner, just this is just for the pro users, and if you want to add a link to your photo, you can add, but you have to buy my signature premium. Now let's move to social media, where you can put your links into it. Now from the top, you have to click on the social media and replace this URL with your original URL. Let's say I will go to YouTube and search for it, and after that you can just copy the URL from the top of your YouTube homepage, and instead of adding the homepage, you can add your own channel link over here, and whenever someone click on this YouTube, it will redirect to that user to the YouTube or your channel. And then click on this add-ons if you want to add my page or sign off, and these are some for the premium versions, but you can use, let's say this is my page. From here you can check out a refresh my page. You can link in bio and personal web space as well. Now let's move to design. So this is a design. From, if you want to increase the font size of your signature, you can change, you can increase, and if you want to change the font style, from the left side you will find this font family option. Click on this, and from here you have to search for free, but there is only one free font, which is Arial. From, okay, these are some premium feature. Now click on the save and sign up button. Now click on the sign up with the Google. I'm going with the Google, and I will select the my email account. So wait for a few seconds. So I am at the my signature dashboard. Now from here in the right side, you'll find the install the email signature to your design in your preferred email client. Start using it. Click on this install signature and click on this. You can use for Gmail as well, but I'm using for this Outlook. Now you will get this tutorial where you how you can connect this signature to your Outlook. Click on this copy click gold button, go to your Outlook and compose a new email. Go to message tab and click on the signature and signatures. Click on this new signature button and click on this icon to add a new signature. So now what you have to do is copy this, click copy to clipboard. Now what you have to do, go to our Outlook and compose a new email. Then go to our Outlook. Now get back, follow these steps, go to message tab and click on this signature or signatures. Just go. First we have to compose a new email. Now instead of writing an email, you can just directly paste this signature, but sometimes it's you cannot paste it again and again. So instead of that, what you can do is go to setting from the top right corner of the Outlook. Now first what you have to do is go to signature and then click on this new signature option and paste this signature into the Outlook. Now as you can see here, we have successfully added our signature. From here, from the bottom, you will find this select default signatures. Click on this. Before that, what you have to do is save this signature. Let me just add maker 2 and click on this save. Now for new messages, give a maker signature. For replies forwarded, give for signature. So this is how you can create signature for your Outlook. So whenever someone give a reply, or if someone send you a message or email, it will give that person a signature. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.